Understand? So in the same thing, so how we can make this all under what, Amma? Third one, the third property, to indicate the conditions under which the reaction takes place. So now for this, the one more example is, suppose you know methanol. How many of you know methanol? You people don't know, I think, but you may heard this word, correct?
Yes, sir.
Methanol. Remember, methanol, chemistry, fourth chapter, carbonates, compounds, we used to get this one. Understand? So if we take methanol, we used to call it as methyl alcohol. What we used to call?
Methyl alcohol.
Naming is most important. Methyl alcohol is, remember, is manufacturing from carbon monoxide and hydrogen. So methanol or methyl alcohol is manufacturing from where, Amma? Is the manufacturing from carbon monoxide, hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. So now what is the state of carbon monoxide? Tell me. What is the state of carbon monoxide? Gaseous.
Solid.
Yes.
Hydrogen is also in gaseous state.
Yes.
Now, if you react with this, understanding, at the temperature 300 degrees Celsius. At what temperature? 300 degrees Celsius.
300 degrees
And
Celsius.
pressure is also, pressure must be 300 atm, means 300 atmospheric pressures. Is it okay? Very, very huge amount of pressure. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and we are using a catalyst here. A catalyst of this catalyst which we are using here is a mixture of two substances. One is zinc oxide and the next one is chromium oxide. So we are using here a mixed catalyst of zinc oxide ZnO plus chromium oxide CrO3. So this is the mixed catalyst. If you want full name, you can write it. This is what? Zinc oxide.
Zinc oxide plus chromium.
This is what? Chromium oxide. Chromium oxide, which will give you the compound called as CH3OH. What is the meaning of CH3OH? CH3OH. Methanol.
Methanol.
Methyl alcohol. What is the state of this one? Anybody? What is the state of this one? Liquid state. So
Liquid.
This is only called as methanol. So this is
Methanol.
the manufacturing process of methanol or methyl alcohol with the help of what? Who is the reactants here? Who is the reactant?
Carbon monoxide and
Carbon monoxide, hydrogen.
Hydrogen gas. Both are gaseous state only. That is important. So this is the reaction for manufacturing of methanol or methyl alcohol. But conditions you see here. What is the conditions required here? Here only temperature and normal pressure and catalyst is manganese dioxide. Here see, I am mentioning particular temperature 300 degrees Celsius as well as 300 atmospheric pressure as well as mixed catalyst called as zinc oxide plus chromium oxide.
Yes.
Understand? That is the second example. Write it. All of you write this one. Methanol is manufacturing from, other name is called as what? Methanol or methyl alcohol.
Methyl alcohol.
Is manufactured from carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. Later you write this equation, please, all of you. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
Why only very less people are joined? Only 9 fellows are joined. About others I don't know what is happening. Okay. So now this is all about this manufacturing of methyl alcohol, methanol. Now let us go for photosynthesis. Do we know that? What is the meaning of photosynthesis? Can anybody?
A process which a plant makes food.
Green plants. So as we know that photosynthesis means the green plants make food. Understanding? With the help of sunlight and something
Chlorophyll.
raw materials like carbon dioxide and water. So that is only called as photosynthesis. So if you observe this photosynthesis reaction, carbon dioxide combines with water in the presence of sunlight, there is no sunlight, no photosynthesis reaction. Understand?
Yes.
So in the presence of sunlight and the green pigment of leaves called as, what is the green pigment which is
Yes.
present in the leaves?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll, sir.
Yeah. So green pigment which is present in the leaves of the plants, only green plants, not all the plants, called as chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Understand? Chlorophyll with the help of a green pigment of leaves called as chlorophyll to make food like glucose and oxygen gas is given up. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Glucose
Glucose.
and as well as oxygen gas
Oxygen gas.
given out. So here, these are the all raw materials and these are the products. Is it
Products.
correct or not? So in these reactants are carbon dioxide plus water and these two are
Water.
products. Is it correct or not?
Glucose.
But what is the conditions required? Conditions required is chlorophyll and
Chlorophyll and light energy.
sunlight. And sunlight is the conditions required for this one. So that is why if we'll write this equation, understand? So what will come? 6CO2, balanced equation I am writing. 6CO2, what is the state?
CO2.
Equation make it more informative. 6CO2, what is the state of this one?
Gaseous state.
Gaseous state.
Gaseous.
Yes, very good. Next, 6H2O, water, liquid state.
Liquid
Understand?
state.
Which will form under what is the conditions?
Sunlight.
Sunlight and chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
CHLORO, PHYL, chlorophyll, which will form glucose,
C6H12O6.
C6. What is the state of this one, please? Aqueous state. Means dissolved.
Aqueous state.
Understand? And along with that, it will form 6O2. What is the state of that oxygen?
Gaseous state.
Gaseous state.
So this is the balanced chemical equation for photosynthesis reaction. Write it down. This is the next example, conditions required. So here, what is the conditions required? Sunlight and a green pigment from the leaves of the green plants, chlorophyll. That's all. Write it.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is there any doubt, anybody?
No, sir.
No. So till here, if you have any doubt, you just ask me. Because balancing equations and the conditions required and all, if you are very thorough, then only we will move to the next concept. That is what I am asking. So can you able to answer till here? Anything?
Yes, sir.
Balancing chemical equations and how to make the equation more informative. You have to make
Yes,
it
sir.
more informative by representing like these three methods. Understanding? One is what? By representing the state. What is the three methods of making the equation more
Sir,
informative?
in this sunlight and chlorophyll is the catalyst, sir.
Catalyst illa. These are the conditions required. Conditions required.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Understand? So that is. So now what is the three methods of making the equation more informative? Please tell me.
Gas, state, physical state,
Physical state. Second one.
heat
Heat,
changing,
heat, sir.
Heat. Changes. Changing heat. Next
heat
one.
changing.
Conditions.
Conditions, sir.
Required to take place the reaction. So these are the
Yes, sir.
three things how we can make the equation more informative. So once if it is over, then now onwards the real chapter will start, and from now onwards you people will be more and more very careful. So the next concept which were balancing equations, how many of you are very clear? Are you people thorough in balancing equation?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes,
Anyone
sir.
having? Are you having any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
You just- Varshini? So if you don't have any doubt, then you can go for the next concept called as types of chemical reactions. All of you keep heading. The next very important concept which we are going to study is types of chemical reactions. All of you keep heading. Types of chemical reactions.
Chemical reaction.
Yeah. So let us go for here. We have in this chapter, we have so many types of reactions, but in our class 10, we have some important types of chemical reactions. There are 5 types we have. So we will study understanding all these reactions in detail one by one. So first we should know the names of that 5 types. First type of reaction is called as combination reaction. What we used to call them? Combination reaction. What we used to call? Combination
Reaction.
And the second type of reaction is called as decomposition reaction. Now onwards, remember, state, color, understanding, changing temperature, conditions required, everything is required. Every equation you should make more and more informative from now onwards. Till now, one level, now onwards, complete, including balancing also we should write. That is what we want to do. Understanding, Amma? That is. So now, decomposition reaction. Second type of reaction is called as decomposition reaction. I will explain you. You don't need to worry. Next, third type of reaction is called as displacement reaction. What we should call?
Displacement reaction.
Displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Next, fourth one is called as double displacement reaction. What we should call?
Double displacement.
Double
reaction.
displacement reaction. And the last one in this chapter is called as oxidation and reduction reactions. Oxidation
And
and
reduction.
reduction reaction. Note it down, all of you. Oxidation and reduction reactions. That's all. So now once this is over, then we will start with the first type of reaction called as combination reaction. So write this first. Is it completed?
Wait.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now all of you listen few minutes, later only you can write. Understanding? So now the first type of reaction which we are going to study is combination reaction. What is that? So combination reaction. So what does it mean this? What is the meaning of combination means? By understanding, by seeing the heading itself, we can understand. Combination means just joining. Understand? Means the different reactants will be together, react together, and they will give you the product means. They are called as combination reaction. But
Combination
how
reaction.
many products? That is only matters. Remember, those reactions in which 2 or more substances, maybe 2 or more than 2 substances combined together to form a single substance. Product should be single one. Product should be what?
Single.
Product should be. Reactants may be 2. Single reactant cannot. Minimum number of reactants are how many? 2 reactants should be. Or more also. 2 reactants or more reactants combined together. Then they should form what? They should form a single compound or single substance. That is only called as, understanding, combination reaction. So those reactions in which 2 or more reactants, 2 or more substances. I will say definition, you no need to write now, you listen first. 2 or more substances combine to form a single substance. Single substance is known as combination reaction. So in this combination reaction, sir, what is this reactants? Is it these reactants are compounds or elements? That is my question mark. So if we'll take in this combination reaction, 2 or more substances, what I am saying here, 2 or more substances may be elements. Means 2 elements or more than 2 elements combined and they can give you the single substance. Is it okay, Amma? Any doubt, anybody?
Yes, sir.
Two compounds can react. Understanding? Two or more compounds can combine to form again a new compound. Two elements or two or more than two elements will combine. Also, they will give what? Compound only. Or else, two or more compounds can combine. Again, they will form new compound. That is also everywhere compound. So in this combination reaction, element plus element can react, which will form compound. Understand? Maybe two or more elements can react and they will form compound. Element plus
Compound.
element. Element plus element, again element will come or compound will come, Ra?
Compound, sir.
Compound only will come.
Compound.
Yes. Understand? As well as compound plus compound. Again, what they will give?
Compound.
Compound.
Another different
Again,
compound.
compound plus compound, they will give you again compound only. Or one element and one compound. Everything I will give example. One element plus one compound. Or one compound plus one element, they will react. Again, they will form what? Compound.
Compound.
So, these are the three types of understanding combination reaction. So combination reaction is again classifying into three types. One is maybe a element combination reaction, compound reaction, or element compound combination reaction. So this combination reaction is classifying into three types. Like this flow chart you can draw. Understand? So one is what? Element. Next one is compound. Next one is element compound. Are you people can able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, write the
Yes,
definition now. Later only examples. First definition. Those reactions. Any doubt anybody is having in this combination reactions?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Wait. Those reactions in which two or more substances, those reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance, are called combination reactions. So in this combination reaction, again, how many types it will be? That reactants may be elementary,
Three types.
or maybe a compound, or maybe a one element and one compound. But finally, what is the result? All the products should be a compound. Understanding now?
Yes.
But they will ask you the minimum number of reactants should be in combination reaction. How many? Minimum
Number of reactants.
must be how many? Reactants. Reactants, how many?
Two, sir. Two or more.
sir.
Two or more
or more.
reactants. But finally, product should come how many? Product should not come.
One.
two.
Compound.
Only one product should come. That is only called as combination reaction. Write it this now.
Yes.
After writing this, construct this one. What is that flow chart? Flow chart, how you can construct? Keep writing heading, combination reaction, and keep down arrow, three extended arrows, element, compound, element, compound. Do it fast.
Okay, sir.
Those who who is absent is only I received 13 members. Now, I think Jesse is absent, Padmavarshini is absent. Next, who is that? Okay, then Yalini Dilipan is there. Who is absent next? Okay. Humara, are you understanding Humara this one?
Yes, sir.
Pranita, you? Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
Anusri? Now, shall we go for example now? So let us start with the example one, all of you. So example one, which we have already studied from the first again, the same thing, that is burning of magnesium. Understand? So magnesium and oxygen combined. Example 1, all of you keep heading. Example 1 and write the statement. Magnesium and oxygen combined. Magnesium and oxygen combined. Only I will write equation. You should write statement also. Magnesium and oxygen combined when heated. Magnesium and oxygen combined when they will combine, amma, when heated to form what is the product here form? Anybody? No idea. What is the product
Magnesium.
come here?
Magnesium oxide.
Magnesium oxide.
Magnesium
What
oxide.
you are studying, no use of this one. So now what is the elements here? Tell me. So what is the reactants here?
Mg.
Magnesium. What is that? Solid state,
Magnesium.
liquid state. Solid state or liquid state?
Solid state, sir.
Solid state.
Solid.
Reacting, burning, oxygen.
Oxygen.
Gaseous.
State, sir.
Understanding? Which will combine. So combine means what is come?
Magnesium oxide.
Above the arrow, combination will come. Combination. Understanding? Which will form magnesium oxide.
Magnesium oxide.
Again, what is the state of this one? Solid.
Solid state, sir.
It is not balanced, so by keeping 2 here and here 2, it is balanced chemical equation. Is it correct or not?
Okay.
Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no? So this is
Yes,
the combination reaction of which type? Combination reactions of which type? Element or element, compound or compound?
Element.
Very good. So write the equation. How Redizar is writing in the same way, how to write it? Magnesium oxide. It must be very beautiful. How clearly I have written? Are you people understanding? Statement,
Yes, sir.
reaction, and down also names also should be. Understand? So in this reaction, if you'll observe, 2 elements, magnesium and oxygen, are combined to form a single compound called as, what is the compound?
Magnesium oxide.
Magnesium oxide. So this is a combination reaction.
Combination.
So when we burn a magnesium ribbon, in air, then a combination reaction takes place. Understanding? With oxygen to form magnesium oxide.
Magnesium
Any
oxide.
clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. That is the first equation. Write it. First example. If you have doubt, you just ask me. Ashika, are you understanding? Pranav? Simply writing equation is not good. Make it more informative. See, now onwards you should remember. If I am writing here, you have to. See, magnesium solid state, oxygen gaseous state, and magnesium oxide is also solid state. Make it more informative. Understand, Nitesh? Right. Next example. Hydrogen burns in oxygen. Second example. Hydrogen burns in oxygen. To form what? Hydrogen and oxygen. What they will form? Hydrogen. Second example. Hydrogen burns. What will form hydrogen and oxygen?
Hydrogen oxide.
Water burns in oxygen. Understanding? To form
Hydrogen oxide.
water. Understanding? Dihydrogen oxide. Water is also called as dihydrogen
H2O,
oxide.
sir.
That is your remark.
H2O.
Now,
Yes, sir.
tell me, what is the reactants? Gas. Hydrogen is a what? Gas. Diatomic molecule. That is why H2 I am writing. You should not write H. Understanding? Plus O2. O2 is also what? Diatomic molecule. So what is you tell me? See how I am writing. G should come down. It is subscript. Not side you should write. Understand? So H2 plus O2 will give what again? This is also what reaction? Combination. Understanding? Combination which will give you H2O. H2O, what is the state of H2O? Anybody?
Liquid.
Anybody?
Liquid, sir.
Very good. So this is only called as water. Dihydrogen oxide. You want, you can write that also. So hydrogen, and this is oxygen. They are diatomic molecules which will form dihydrogen oxide. Understanding? Or also we should general word is called as
Hydrogen 2H2 will come.
2H2O.
No,
Dihydrogen.
sir, for
Here
hydrogen.
is not these two. Here two hydrogens are there. That is why. Understanding? So
No,
in
sir,
this
here,
reaction also-
in reactant side H2, hydrogen 2H2.
okay, very good. Here 2H2, very good. Balancing equation, very nice. So in this reaction also, if you observe, two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, are combining to form a single compound that is only called as water. So this is also an example of what? Example of combination reaction.
Combination reaction.
The formation of water from hydrogen and oxygen, they will ask you in exam. You will say, what type of reaction it is?
Combination reaction.
Combination reaction. Are you
Reaction.
understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is. Next, third example. Example 3. Example 3. You have to learn more and more number of examples. Then only, because in class 10th chemistry, they will ask you a question. They will give you some equation and they will down. They will give you combination reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, or something reaction they will give. And later options will give you. So this under this which reactions this above reaction will come, like AB, BC, ABC, like that. So that each and every equation we should know it will come under what type of reaction also. Are you people understanding?
Yes, sir.
That is what. Suppose if we take first example, formation of magnesium oxide. It is also what? Combination reaction. Along with that, do you know that? It is heat releasing. Heat releasing means what we should call? Yesterday I have class I have taught. Heat releasing. Heat is
Exothermic reaction.
Exothermic reaction.
like that. This reaction, it is under what type of all the types of reaction also you should know. What type of example, suppose this example, we can write it under what type of all the types of reactions. Everything you should know. Then only we can answer an exam. Are you understanding about?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is. So that is about. Now third example, right? Third example, right? All of you. Carbon burns in air. Carbon means carbon containing general substance what? Coal. What we contain? Coal or wood or anything. Carbon burns in air. Burns in air, what will give? Burns in air. What is the products?
Carbon monoxide.
Carbon dioxide. Understanding? Burns
Carbon
in air
dioxide.
to form carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Understanding? Now tell me the reaction, please, all of you. What is the reaction will come?
C.
Carbon.
C plus O2
C
plus
present in what?
O2.
Solid state.
Solid state, sir. Carbon is solid.
Plus oxygen.
O2, sir.
O2. Gaseous state,
Gaseous state.
which will give you
State
what?
is
Combination.
Burning combination.
Understanding? Combination, which will give you what, Amma?
CO2, sir.
CO2, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, CO. That is, this is
Gaseous
carbon
state, sir.
dioxide. So this carbon. So this carbon, what was to call? Coal.
Coal.
What? Oxygen. And this is carbon dioxide. This is the third example. Is it clear? Write it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all of you write this. So here also the same thing. I hope you people are understanding well, correct? Am I going
Yes, sir.
slowly or fastly?
Slowly.
Make it more informative now onwards. Understanding? It is already balanced equation, so we no need to balance. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you people are understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
You be very clear. Chemistry is very easy only. What your sir said is the same way. It is very easy if you understand well. If you not understand well, then it will become the headache for us. Remember that. Because first two chapters only people will face problem. Next 3 chapters already metals and non-metals, which we have already studied from class 8. Same thing will come, but more chemical reactions will. So nothing is going to happen. Do it. Finished, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Finished or not?
Yes, sir.
Next. Right. Hydrogen combines with chlorine. Next, for example 4. Hydrogen combines with chlorine. Let me see who will say the balanced chemical equation fastly. Hydrogen combines with chlorine. Hydrogen combines with chlorine. What it will form? It will form some acid. What is that name? Anybody?
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid, sir.
Very good. Humira said.
H2SO4.
Humira, you only said correct first.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So that is right. Next one, example 4. That is what you be very active. Understanding. Hydrogen combines with chlorine to form hydrogen gas. Write the statement. Hydrogen combines with chlorine. Hydrogen combines with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride is also called as what? Also called as what?
Hydrochloric
Hydrochloric acid. That is what
acid.
people see. Your friends and all, you go and ask them. Understanding? You will say hydrochloric acid. Oh, HCl they will say. But if you will say, what is the word? Hydrogen chloride. Then they will think, is it anything compound like that? That is what I am saying. Every substance we are having different names. That every name we should know. Understand? Because exam they will ask which they are going to ask. We don't know that. So now tell me the reaction. Keep heading. Hydrogen combines with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, not hydrochloric acid. That we will write later. Understand? So because if you will dissolve this hydrogen chloride in water, then only we is to get hydrochloric acid. Are you people understanding, Amma? That is most important thing. That is why you should remember hydrogen chloride. You people understanding or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very, very careful here. You be very careful. Hydrogen chloride is purest form of hydrogen. Understanding? HCl. It is even in a gaseous state. Now, this gas, if it will pass through the water, then it will turns into hydrochloric acid. Are you people understanding?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that is I will say you now. So keep heading. Hydrogen combines with the chlorine. Hydrogen combines with the chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen combines with the chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. Now reaction, tell me. Hydrogen, what is the state of hydrogen?
Gas.
Gas. What is the state of chlorine? Chlorine. Cl or Cl2? Cl or Cl2? Cl2. It is diatomic molecule. Understanding? Which will combination, and they will form a gaseous hydrogen chloride. Remember, not acid directly. It is 2HCl, which is present in which state, Amma? Which state?
Yes.
Gaseous state.
Gaseous
Be very careful. Hydrogen reacting with the chlorine, they will form a gaseous hydrogen chloride. Gaseous hydrogen chloride. All of you write this first. Hydrogen chloride. Now, these hydrogen, keep adding note, and you write note. Till here you finish first. Is it completed? Do it. Absentee names, you tell me. I need to know the absentee names. Around 5 fellows are absent. Padma Varshini. Next. Varshini is there. Varshini. Jesse. Varshini Bensi. Next, who is Amma? Boys, anybody absent? Dina? Okay. This is the thing. Write note. Why nobody is speaking? Note. Hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrogen
Yes.
chloride gas on dissolving in water to form water forms hydrochloric acid. This is liquid state. Understand? That you remember. Hydrochloric acid, which is present in not even liquid state, aqueous state. What is that state, Amma?
Aqueous.
Aqueous state.
Aqueous state.
This is the note. Note, you have to make it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, shall we go for next example?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Still we are studying combination of what? Element and element only. Later element, compound and compound is there. Element and compound is there. Everything example I will say. Now, last example for this one. Element plus element. So many is there. Even we will study. So, fifth one, right? Fifth example. Sodium metal burns in chlorine. Sodium metal burns in chlorine because sodium is highly reactive. Understand? Sodium metal burns in chlorine. Chlorine. What it will form? Anybody? Sodium metal burns in chlorine.
Sodium chloride, sir. Sodium chloride.
What is that? Common salt which we are eating every day. Is it correct or not?
Sodium chloride.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the next one is right. Sodium metal burns in chlorine. All of you right. Sodium metal. Fifth one this is. Sodium metal burns in air. Burns in air. Burns in air. Burns in air. Burns in chlorine. Sorry. Burns in
Chlorine, sir.
Yeah. Sodium metal burns in chlorine to form sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Ide. R-I-D-E. Remember, not chlorate. Chloride. So now what is the equation? Tell me. Sodium. Sodium, what is the state?
Sodium.
Sodium Na. What is the state of sodium?
Solid, sir.
Solid.
Solid.
Very good. Now chlorine. Chlorine Cl or Cl2?
Cl.
Cl or Cl2?
Cl2, sir.
Who is saying Cl?
Cl2.
Diatomic molecule.
Gaseous. Gaseous state.
Gaseous state. Next, what it will form? NaCl. What is that state? What is the state? What is the state?
Solid.
Solid. Write it. Combination. That's all. So this is the fifth example. So here they are together to form a